Thank you. My name is Christela Munezero. I'm going to talk about my learning process in this course or my journey of this course, what skills I learned as new about this course. This is my reflection. I'm going to talk about I'm going to tell you how was my journey in this course. Thank you. My learning process, especially in Python, has introduced me and also is talk about the key concept that I learned in this Python, like data type, flow control structure, and libraries, which are greatly improved my programming skills I gained from this course. The learning process was hands-on and engaged me, but occasional challenging, especially when I debugging errors and or understanding complex concepts. Also in this course, I remember the programming techniques that were used to perform or to learn a code and to perform different projects by using different programming techniques. Those techniques like list compression, function creation, and using libraries. In libraries include as examples NumPy that used for numerical operation, also pandas that used for data manipulation. Those are libraries are virtual. Those techniques streamline data analysis to enhance code readability and are essential for business context for handling large data set efficiently. Also, in this course, especially Python, we have learned the data analysis examples. For instance, using pandas, I performed data cleaning, aggregation, and filtering. For example, I can say analyzing sales data to calculate monthly trends. When we use NumPy, as example, I worked on a statistical competition like mean and standard deviation. Where we can use SIMPy. We can use the SIMPy in order to help in hypothesis test to support decision making in real world scenarios. Also, there is other what I remember all my reflection in this course. Sometimes there is a reflection questions that I learned in this course. A challenge is in setup. During installing Python and Jupyter was challenging due to environmental configuration issues resolved by using Anaconda. There is other one, variable and data types. Data types, those are some concepts. For example, variables stored a key data such as integrals for sales account and a string for customer names, ensuring efficient program logic. Other one is flow control structures. Flow control structures that includes loops, where loops helps to automate the repetitive task like processing customer data. While when you use condition, it helps to ensure logical branching in programs. Where we can use function helps to modelize the code. For instance, as examples, we can use a function when to calculate discount or simplify pricing logic across multiple data sets. The libraries for analysis, those are libraries for analysis like NumPy, Pandas, and Scape. I'm going to talk about pandas. I used the pandas for summarizing data trends, where NumPy used it for fast numerical operations. One numerical operations, one analysis involves identify top performing product based on sales. Other one, as we have to, like data visualization, this is when we have to perform the different datas. We need to visualization data as pie chart or bar chart. Visualization means that to show our data or information in a different glass. Data visualization use matplotlib. I visualize this, for example, I visualize data sales trends which help to identify peak month supporting marketing strategies. Also, other one what I remember is object-oriented impact. These object-oriented impacts made my code more organized, well, and reusable. For example, I can say a bank account classes may handle customer transaction and and encapsulating logic for withdrawals and deposits different like money or other things. Those are used object oriented impact. Thank you.